Hello everyone and welcome to the topic of 5G system architecture and multi-access edge computing. In this we are going to discuss about 5G network architecture and multi-access edge computing. So it supports all the utilization cases of 5G network architecture, and it has equivalent and normal engineering which is required for critical changes in the plan which thinks both the RAN and the central network. So this combination of 5G and MEC, it has changes in both the radio access network and the core network or the center network. So one major change which is between the center organization work. So in 5G framework determination, there are two alternative accessible. One with the customary reference point and interface approach. And next is the center organization capacities which connect with the other utilizing a SBA, which is service based architecture. So with the service based architecture, it underpins the adaptable methodology to effectively uncover endeavor administrations. For basic data demands, a solicitation reaction model can be utilized for this. In 5G, the API system, which is characterized by ETSI, MEC, is lined up with the standards, and we have equivalent of applications as SBA accomplishes for network capacities and their administration. The usefulness required for productive utilization of administrations, it incorporate enlistment, administration disclosure, accessibility warnings, de-enrollment and validation, also approval. This usefulness is the equivalent in both SBAs and MEC API structures. So this is 5G system architecture and MEC system. We can see the 5G service based architecture. U is connected with the RAN and with the N3 interface UPF and then the data network. Then all the functions are arranged: authentication, access and mobility management functions. So this is 3GPP 5G system. And this is MEC system, which have virtualization infrastructure, various applications and services. We have MEC platform and platform manager, which is distributed host level. And in system level, there is a MEC orchestrator. The network functions and administration they produce they are enlisted in resource function as NRF, while in the MEC, the administration created by such application, they are enrolled in administration library. To utilize the administration, whenever approved, a capacity can straightforwardly connect with the work. So portion of administrations are just open through NEF exposure function, which can accessible to untrusted substances. At the end of the day, this goes about a unified point for administration openness and has a critical job in improving all entrance demands. Application function, network exposure function, repository function, there are various different capacities that merit the presenting. The techniques identified with validation are served by the authentication server function AUSF. MEC applications, which are the application facilitated in layers of framework, they have a place in which are arranged in 5G center organization. Policy control function has the capacity which benefits an application function. So 3GPP aka validation certificates, which handles the client ID related data, oversees the access approval, enrolls the client serving network function and all DNN tasks. The UPF has a critical job in incorporated this, sending in a 5G organization. This is MEC system which is deployed in an integrated manner in a 5G network, like user plane function is responsible and it is connected with the SMF, and UPF is responsible with or it is connected with the MEC system. In MEC system, this orchestrated can be associated with the exposure function. With this as a core network function, it has a framework level substance which is comparable with the network function. MEC is conveyed as on an N6 reference point. The EMF is liable for the end control plane. Session management function is in a critical situation with a huge number of duties. The portion of usefulness gave why it incorporates meeting the executive IP address assignment and board, DSCP administration, choice, rechoice and control of UPF. It might be offered in both unified and edge mist. The SMF assumes a basic part because its job in choosing and controlling the UPF and designing its principle for all the traffic steering, directing. So the SMF opens the distributed administration activities to permit MEC as a 5G application function to deal with all PDU meetings as to buy in warnings or meeting on executive associations. Thank you.